Hey everyone, this is Shahid Iqbal with the Rang Film Festival, third edition, May 16th, 17th in Match, Houston. आज मेरे साथ मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त अदनान बशीर यहाँ मौजूद हैं। इन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी का आगाज़ तो किया था पाकिस्तान नेवी से, लेकिन फिर नेवी को खैराबाद कह के ये मॉडलिंग में आ गए और अब ये मॉडलिंग से एक्टिंग में आना चाहते हैं। तो वेलकम अदनान।
थैंक यू वेरी मच राहुल।
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त। सो अदनान, हमारी ऑडियंसेस को बताओ कि कितना मुश्किल है कि नेवी में काम करते करते कैसे एकदम से मॉडलिंग में आना हुआ एंड वो ट्रांजिशन कैसी थी, क्योंकि एक तरफ बहुत रिजिड टाइमलाइन होती है, डिसिप्लिन होता है, और एक तरफ सारे क्रिएटिव्स होते हैं। तो टेल अस अबाउट दैट ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम वन वर्ल्ड टू द अदर वर्ल्ड।
Thank you very much for calling me. Shahid, it's like 180 degrees opposite.
Oh wow, so what of a difference?
The first of all, like मुझे जब भी बुलाया गया and I was there in time and I was thinking why I'm on time, because there was no one over there the time that was given to me, and so I was unable to understand what's going on. So
the 7 p.m. in the Navy was 9 p.m. in advertising.
Not at all.
12 p.m.
But more in drama industry.
Right. Same thing with the drama industry. Yeah. Time management is the last thing they worry about. Yeah. Right.
Like the drama that I was doing, Angan, in which मुझे कहा था कि you have to be there at 9. You are having the first scene, and the first scene was at 1. So it was total
opposite
destruction for me at that time.
Total opposite. तो किस तरह का तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस रहा एडवर्टाइजिंग में? इज इट, अब ऑलमोस्ट तुम बहुत सारी ब्रांड्स की एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर ली तुमने, तो कोई एक स्पेसिफिक ऐसी चीज है जो तुम्हें एडवर्टाइजिंग में ज्यादा अच्छी लगी वर्सेस द ड्रामा इंडस्ट्री?
तुमने
ड्रामास एंड एक्टिंग इन ड्रामास भी किए हैं पाकिस्तान में,
right? With dramas.
You started with
dramas. Then I was doing commercials also.
I see.
But I did commercials more.
More commercials.
I like it also. One thing, they are more professional as compared to
the drama industry.
The drama, because they are maintaining some discipline over there.
Right.
पैसा लगा हुआ है, so you have to be in time and I'm doing everything as per the script. But so it's always good doing commercials, and commercials में ये कि you have a whole day that takes a lot of energy and you have to be zealous for doing that.
Yeah, you have to be very performative.
Oh yeah.
Right on the spot.
You have to be like on your toes, doing everything as per the what is told to you. But discipline is there. One day it takes whole day, but then it is completed in one day. In drama industry, like I have been attached and involved for 3 weeks, 4 weeks for one drama. So that takes a lot of time, and timings are no importance over there. But it's a good experience. After Navy, it's a totally new world, and you see a new life.
Right. So now, from the last few years, you have come on to this side of the Atlantic Ocean. तो I think अभी भी तुम उस change in the lifestyle adjustment में हो, लेकिन I'm sure कि जो तुम्हारी creativity है, creative mind है, उसको तो कोई सुकून नहीं है। तो किन स्टोरीज पे काम कर रहे हो आजकल? What's going on? What's your up and coming future plans?
I've done Vivo Mobile का ad जो था वो आतिफ असलम वाला.
Right.
Then that is the last project. And then after that I came in Feb back to Houston. So looking forward, and meeting you guys doing theater and all. So that's my interest now.
जबरदस्त। तो I think तुम रंग में भी पहली बार आए हो, right?
Yeah, last year you told me, but I was not here.
You were not here. तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? अगर कुछ हमें फीडबैक देना चाहो, क्या हम अच्छा करते हैं, क्या हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, I feel it's very professional and very good. Like this time I've come here and I'm seeing there are a lot of room for improvement also, and a lot of energy that I can see from around different parts of US, that people are coming over here and enjoying it. So I have a good feeling about it. It's going to go, inshallah, much
Little bit longer.
yeah,
Little bit longer.
after 3 years also.
सही 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 जबरदस्त नहीं थैंक यू वेरी मच अदनान कि ऑन द फ्लाई आपने एक्सेप्ट की ये ऑफर और हमारे साथ सारे
Yeah, thank
एक्सपीरियंसेस
you
शेयर
for
किए
having me, I would say.
अरे यार व्हाई नॉट आई मीन दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाई दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज फॉर राइट अगर ये हमारे लिए नहीं होगा तो और किसके लिए है
And it's a great platform for everyone like me coming over here and getting this opportunity.
थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
ऑलराइट अदनान बशीर एवरीवन थैंक्स
Thank you.